Hey yo web traveler, packs versus box returns. So how does it work? I have a theory that I proved once. If you buy loose packs instead of one box, you can get more SSRs that way. So this is 2-in-1 set, and if you buy the box you will get 30 packs, you will have 6 hits, that being SSR, and one of them may be PTR instead. I bought from 3 different sellers, in total 31 pack. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one extra pack, but we'll see how the video goes. Let's start with the first seller. Let's see what we'll get, what he has in store. Is this from... It looks from High School of the Dead, but it's probably not. Probably something else. Ooh, that's a nice art style. Nice art. God damn, I remember this card, that I can tell you. Okay, I also remember having this. And I definitely remember having this. What is this? First pack and we already have an SSR. Hello Jojo. You're going to say hi to the web traveler? Oh my god. Guys, I'm stupid. I didn't record my voice. So, first part of the video you need to put up with my camera sound. And from now on, you can listen to my sexy voice, baby. Anywho, SSR, let's go. I can't remember this R. So I probably don't have it. Man, this dress is way too low. Not that I mind, but you know. Okay, I also can't remember this one. I only opened, I think, 1 box of this set. There probably will be a lot of cards. I remember this one clearly. There will be probably a lot of cards that I don't have. And an interesting SR. I have no idea which series that is. And we have another SR, and that's probably No Leaf No Life. I mean, No Leaf No Life, I crossed No Game No Life with Love Leaf, Life fucking hell, but I meant indeed Love Leaf. I definitely know this one, and that's probably a new one. It looks interesting. Goblin Slayer maybe? I don't know why I'm looking at it. Yeah, sometimes it's in English, but most of the time it's not in the language that I can read. Hey, that's a nice one. Is this a Genshin Impact? It surely looks like it, but I don't know if it... Oh, goddamn! Holy shit. That looks comfortable as fuck. Can I get one of those, please? So guys, if you want to support my channel, please subscribe, you know, leave a like, all that jizz. I'm gonna really appreciate you. If you like this kind of video and want to see more, let me know in the comments. I don't know what this is. It looks like berries on the back. Looks kind of cool though, don't get me wrong. Oh damn, son. That's an action photo right there. An interesting angle. The first seller has 8 packs left. We only saw 1 SSR. Hey, that's definitely a Genshin Impact. Nice one. I haven't seen this one. Cool. Yeah, two SSR at each seller. Then we have everything. Hey, Rias, very nice. Is this Fate? Yes, Fate Grand Order. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't speak. Fate Grand Order. Very good. Okay, cute go. Let's go. Another SSR. It's a child. I was not hyping about the child, but because it's an SSR and Genshin Impact. Okay, there's a lot of Genshin Impact in this. I didn't know that. Very nice. Okay, doubles that we have already seen. A lot of going on. There's a smile child in there, but there's also pencil. So and pencil is shiny. That's something, I guess. Okay, we have 6 packs, 5 packs to go. So the chances of us getting an SSR are quite high, I believe, but it's not given. It's not given. A lot of little magical girls. Hey, that's Pokeball. She's holding 2 balls, so she can hold 9. All right, interesting. And another SR. I don't know what happened there. I think I almost died. God damn, that's karma after saying shit about balls. Alright. Oh damn, Kill la Kill, let's go! I don't think I have even 1 card of Kill la Kill. That's a lie, I do have 1. But not that kind of sexy one, so yeah, I like it, as you might noticed from my reaction. Alright, is this, what's it called? Rent a girlfriend, maybe? I don't fucking know. It's kind of see-through though, so that's bonus points. There's also 2 big bonus points. She's cute. Oh my god, I'm making a mess on my right side. Ooh, that's a nice one. I like it. No particular reason at all. We have seen you. We have seen you. We have seen you. We have seen you. I can't remember you, so that's probably a new one. That's cool. That's nice. Okay, sure. I don't know what that is. I don't want to know. It looks kind of interesting, but no clue. Let's go! Free SSR. And that's only the first seller. Last pack from this seller. And let's see. Okay, very nice leggings. So how does it go? Whoa, that's an interesting art. What the hell? I'm all about it. That's an interesting character. And especially the art style is very cool. Hey, that's a Pokemon. Cute card. A fucking lovely. And SR. Okay, now we're moving on to this one. To this seller. If you're wondering why it takes me that long to make another one of this, because I believe the one that I made previously is almost a year ago. There are a few reasons to it. First of all, I need to find all these freaking packs that I can buy loose, because not many sellers sell the packs loose. Second of all, I need to find it in that way that I will get 30, or at least almost 30. So this time I got 31, because that was the only way to get it. So at least that's close enough, you know. But also then they need to get shipped and delivered. And we got an SSR just right out their way. Let's go with some parrot. I love parrots. But then I need to record it, and there's always there's that kind of other stuff, other box that's new, and then I record that, and I'm not that fast with my schedule, as you can see. So yeah, it just puts on hold. It takes me a few months to get the packs ready, then it takes me a few months to freaking record it, and then it's in that way. There's already 1 year later with this challenge. Oh, it's sticky. Why? Why it's sticky? It's an SR. Okay. God damn it. I hoped. Okay. Actually, my hope would be to get 1 PTR, because that would be freaking wild. I didn't get that much PTR 2-1 boxes. I think I got it only once or twice, and I opened a few of them. So it's quite rare to get a PTR in 2-1 box. Especially from loose packs, that would be freaking amazing. But also, I don't know, do the sellers... Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, damn, those legs. Do the sellers weight the packs before they send them? I don't know. I mean, you obviously get an SSR, but PTR has more texture, so it probably would be somewhat heavier. But I don't know, man. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. I don't think they do, to be honest. Also, there's a very, very small probability to get 2 PTRs, but it's such a small percentage of getting it that I wouldn't count on it. But it would be amazing to get that. All right, 2 interesting SSR. I mean SR, what the fuck I'm talking about. But let's see what we can do on this one. I see a lot of doubles right now. Okay, interesting card, and also SR. Okay, it doesn't look very good. I have 2 packs left from this seller, and only 1 is SSR. A lot of error doubles, but I mean, he can't do much about it. Fuck. I guess that's also one side of the coin of this, so you can get bamboozled and get even less SSR than what you would have had, but no. I got another one. Let's go. This one looks fire, man. Holy shit, I really love the art style, the back, the shine. So now we had from 9 packs 2 SSR from this seller, which brings the total of SSR to 5. I only have to pull 1 more to break even with the box. To do that, I will have this seller with 10 packs. But I only need 9 to get to 30. So I'm gonna pull 1 random pack aside. I'm obviously gonna open it, but this is what counts for my theory. The other one is just a bonus. So I might get unlucky. I might just pull my SSR away. You never know. Okay, interesting. This one has more shine to it than the other few. I think it's just some print better than the others. I don't know, man. The most difference that you see in cards is from R. Like SR and SSR are always looking good. They're identical, but the shine on R cards is always different. And okay, we didn't get the SSR with the first pack. That's a shame, because that would be nice, because the other two had that. I have a lot of Genshin Impact now and Kill la Kill. And alright. It doesn't look too good, but maybe this one will have an SSR. Who knows? A lot of doubles. We have 5 packs left. Okay, this is it. I feel it. I feel it in my bones, man. This one has an SSR. Fuck. My bones lied to me. Yeah, alright, we got it. Finally. Whew. This seller, first SSR, which means now we are even. And I have only 2 packs to get more than 6, which is very unlikely. Alright. Yeah, let's go! 7 SSRs! Yes! I've proven once more. Oh god. Loose packs can give you more SSR. This is the second time I've done this. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do this again. We are not done yet. There might be even more SSR, which is very unlikely. But let's see. This is the last pack of our experiment. Getting it to 30 packs, that is. And SR. Okay, but we have one bonus pack. Let's see, did I put the right one away, or is there something special at the back of this? And I shouldn't have done this. Alright. Oh, that's a new SR. And SR. Okay, I pulled the right one away. So as you can see, I've got more value paying for the loose packs than buying the box. However, this way getting PTR is more painfully. And also, loose packs, if you put it into perspective, cost often a little bit more than when you buy the whole box. So it's, you know, it's a balanced decision, I would say. But fun to see that even now, second time, I've proven myself right. So thank you for watching, fellow waifu hunters. I really appreciate your support. I wish you well, and I see you in another one, Web Traveler.